Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to, let me sit my butt down. Another Workflow Wednesday. And see, my voice is coming back in a little bit, but this one's gonna be really quick. So today what I wanted to talk to you guys about, here, let me move the microphone real quick. Today what I wanted to talk to you guys about was this. Check out this intro or this 32-second ad real quick for my new drone company that I started up, Full Tilt Productions. That's right, here in Florida, doing luxury and commercial real estate, some yachts. We're doing like the visual inspections, virtual 3D tours, and some 3D mapping and whatnot, all with the Mavic Air too. And so yeah, it's about time that I show you guys how to make a little bit of money with that minimalist gear that I've been talking about all year, all this past year. But anyways, here, I'm gonna go ahead and roll this clip real quick, and yeah, smash like whenever you finish watching it. Check it out. Alright, so that was pretty cool, right? So what I did is I got that motion graphics template off of Envato Market. So all you're going to do is go in through there and just type it into the search bar, glitch opener. And the one that I used specifically was the glitch urban opener. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring that into Premiere Pro. This is my very last, y'all can mark the calendar on this one. This is my very last Premiere Pro tutorial because honestly, while this is what helps, it's a pain in the ass, and we'll get to that in a second. But go to the Envato Market. That's what I did. I had to pay a couple bucks. One, for the motion graphics template, and two, for the soundtrack and the license to go along with it. The reason why I chose that soundtrack is because that's the one that was advertised, and it was already to the beat. All the transitions were to the beat. Soundtrack itself is about 2.5 minutes long, which is kind of cool. But anyways, I'm not trying to digress too much. This is going to be a fast Workflow Wednesday. But all you're going to do is you're going to go in there, and what I like to do is I like to take my phone, play it through on the timeline. But before you put it on the Premiere Pro timeline, what you got to do is either get a black video or a bars and tone. I used a bars and tone for this one, and so just down there into the little project window, like you normally add an adjustment layer, you click that, and then you scroll down to that bars and tone or the black video. It doesn't really matter. I just did bars and tone, like I said. But anyway, drag that to the timeline first. That way you could go over to that motion graphics template after you install it into Premiere Pro. You go drag that on top. Now, if you're like me using an M12 MacBook Air, like I got the 2021 version, right? This thing is a pig, and it's going to eat up your freaking chipset. It's going to slow the hell down. Yeah, just go ahead and record it, right? And play it back a few times on your phone. And you know what I mean? Just watch it and figure out where all your little spots are that you want to adjust. Like everything's going to be adjustable on it. Go into your on the right-hand side, go into your settings, and from there, you're going to turn off all those little effects like the light leaks and the glitches and everything else. You'll turn them back on whenever it's time to render your sequence from into out and export and all that. But whenever you're just filling in the blanks, like you just turn all that stuff off. It'll help your processor work a lot better. So anyways, you're going to open everything up, and like what I like to do is I like to work with all the text first. Start from the top to all the way down to the bottom. So just input all your text, all your social media handles at the end. Change your logo out from, because it's going to say Envato all over the place. You don't want that. This is not sponsored by any stretch of the imagination. I'm just sharing to you what has worked for me and what has helped me out a lot if putting in one of these catchy, trendy little advertisements or openers. That's what they're called. They're called an opener. But anyway, drag and drop into those different sections. Whenever you're done, You're just going to render into out and then export and then call it what you want. Guys, I appreciate it. Welcome back. Like I said in my last video, this Rona's kind of kicked my butt, so my voice is really struggling. So with that being said, I'm going to go rest and relax a little bit. Thank you again. And don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss another episode. And we are out later.